To move on, come right back to you, talk about the Supreme Court. We're going to have some changes. Robin Hudson's not going to run again.
Yep, Justice Robin Hudson had made the decision not to seek re-election. In North Carolina, we have a mandatory retirement age for judges of 72. She will turn 72 should she win re-election in the middle of the term, and so decided to avoid that disruption to the court and just choose not to run again. Now, the interesting thing is there are two justices up for two spots open. Sam Ervin IV, the grandson of the late Senator Sam Ervin of Watergate fame, will also be on the ballot. He's decided to run for re-election, but Hudson's seat now will be an open seat race. Two candidates, both coming from the Court of Appeals. Lucy Inman is a judge on the Court of Appeals, ran for a Supreme Court seat 2 years ago and lost. And Richard Dietz is also an appellate court judge now in what will probably be the race that decides the balance of power in the Supreme Court. Now, these are partisan elections. We know the party affiliation of the justices. We'd like to believe that their disposition on matters of jurisprudence are not influenced by their partisan affiliation, but it's got to be at least a part of it, as Daddy used to say. And so, in some ways, this will be a seminal race in 2022, even though judicial races tend not to get high profile, and most of the attention comes as a result of independent expenditure, outside groups that advertise. Judges generally not able to raise a lot of money for their campaigns, restrained so much by the Judicial Code of Conduct in terms of what they can say and how they can campaign and those sorts of things. But I think this will be probably one of the bellwether races on the ballot in 22 in North Carolina. In 20, the Republicans ran the table and won every single one of the appellate seats on the ballot that year. In what looks like is shaping up to be a red wave election, the same may happen again.